Lately, it seems like every time I ask someone how things are going, I get the same answer. Busy. Busy is supposed to be good though, right? You don't want to be bored with life. You'd much rather work hard and be occupied. But I think sometimes there's a disconnect between us doing it and why we do it. Or at the very least, we've forgotten why we started. We always have people telling us that we need to work more or we need to work less, but I think before we can truly make an informed decision on that, we need to know what it is that we're working for. Sometimes a little extra work might be worth it in the end, and sometimes understanding our reason might tell us to pull it back a bit. What are the reasons that we work so hard? When was the last time that you asked yourself what all of this work was for? There is no right or wrong answer here, and it's different for everyone. But it is important to know why. Knowing will help make the hard times more bearable and help keep you from spiraling downwards. For some, there might be a long-term goal involved that justifies an increase in workload right now. Maybe you get up at 5 every morning and push that side hustle so you can get out of debt. Maybe you work 12-hour days during the week so you can spend the weekend with your loved ones. Maybe all that extra effort now means that when you do get a small escape, it's actually the one that you were hoping for instead of the one you settled for. If you haven't in a while, try to sit down and think about the reason you answer by saying that you're busy. Give yourself a taste of the feeling that you're hoping to accomplish with all the long days, extra work, and saying no to those little pleasures. Close your eyes and imagine that you've accomplished what you set out to do. Sometimes it feels like we live to work, and remembering our reason can help us to work to live instead. By continually connecting all of that work with the underlying purpose, we begin to feel ourselves getting closer to accomplishment. Closer to paying off that last credit card statement, closer to being able to take more time with the person you love, closer to having the freedom to go where you want and do as you please. So the next time that you catch yourself telling someone that you're busy, make sure you also know the reason that you're working so hard.